Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something really cool here with me. I've got the Shirogorov, as you might have guessed from the box, F95 NL with Mokuti inlays. Would you look at that? This is a pretty cool one indeed we have in the house, and we're gonna do a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because this is a pretty cool one, guys. It's an old one, it's a one-off. It has Mokuti inlays, which I never seen any other one like this, so it's just beautiful. It's an old model because this is a F95 NL. It's running on single row bearings. It has no milling pockets on the inside, and it's just fantastic. It's a titanium frame lock, of course, Mokuti inlays, nice titanium dual tone pocket clip. Of course, you have polished flats in the blade and a very fine stone washed M390 steel. Really cool indeed. It's a beautiful knife, guys. Overall length of this bad boy is gonna be 8.75 inches with a 3.75 inch long blade and a 5 inch long handle. The sound this guy makes is the classic Shirogorov. Beautiful sound that you can expect from a single row bearing older model produced, because this is an older one, but still, guys, absolutely fantastic. The weight in the pocket is going to be 6 ounces because there's no milling pockets and inlays which are Timascus, so you know, he's gonna have a little bit of heft to it. Clip is fantastically designed, nice and cool, absolutely functional, titanium. The grip is one of the best in the industry, in my opinion, because there's no hot spots. This area is, I love it particularly because it's milled out at the right angle. I mean, it feels good to hold in the hand. There's a nice jimping. The action is just smooth as, like, look at this, like, really, it's drop shot is smooth, it's good looking, sounds good, it's a very cool one, guys. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, stay tuned.